How to change a solenoid in a Troy-Bilt lawn mower. A malfunctioning Troy-Bilt lawn mower can lead to an immediate drop in the presentability of your lawn and home. Troy-Bilt lawn mowers are manufactured by MTD and feature Briggs Stratton motors that rely on a part called a solenoid in order to convert electricity from the battery so that the mower starts when you crank the engine. A solenoid that breaks must be replaced before the engine will start. Things you will need: replacement solenoid, socket wrench, knife. Contact MTD or visit your local lawn care store in order to obtain the correct replacement solenoid part for your specific Troy-Bilt lawn mower. You must have your mower's model number with you. Open the front hood or cover over the lawn mower's engine to locate the battery. It will have a red positive wire and a black negative wire coming out of its ends. Use a socket wrench to loosen and disconnect the red wire so you are not shocked, and then remove the black wire in the same fashion. Find the solenoid between the lawnmower's starter and the battery. The other end of the red battery wire extends back and connects to one side of the solenoid. Use your socket wrench to twist the bolt that the wire connects to counterclockwise. Remove the other wire on the other side of the solenoid by utilizing your socket wrench the same way. Take off the solenoid's wire harness by using a knife to pry under and lift up on the retainer clip. Lift up on the small wires that constitute the harness to remove it entirely. Loosen the 4 bolts that hold the solenoid to the machine's frame by again using your socket wrench. Lift out the solenoid. Lower the replacement solenoid into the lawn mower. Connect both of the main wires back onto the solenoid side bolts using your wrench. Place the wiring harness back over the solenoid, and make sure it creates contact with the solenoid's electrical connectors. Connect the black and red battery cables onto the battery, then shut the engine hood.